Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Wednesday, June 21st, 2023, 9:40 p.m. Now, this is a Casablanca Panama. It appeared to have had a light at one point in time because there is no screw in the middle, even though it was brand new in the box. So I don't know if it was a display model or what, but it has this superfluous pull chain that doesn't do anything, so it must have been illuminated at one point in time. So I'm going to start it off on fast. Okay, medium. And I would be remiss if I didn't at least install an authentic Casablanca pull chain for the sake of testing. Low. Aha. That's where that went. There's another one for the invisible light kit. Here we go. And they're not kidding, it really is a very quiet fan. And I honestly don't remember where I came about this fan. It still does have the original box. I don't know if it was a Habitat find. That's what I'm assuming. It was probably a display model at the store at one point in time, and then the light kit. I could tell it had a light kit because I could see this little circular formation surrounding the switch housing cap, and the lack of that little screw that goes in the center to plug it up. So yeah, it definitely had a light kit at one point in time, but it was brand new in the box and it didn't have any dust on it. And so yeah, I'm assuming this must have been a display model or something, and it had a light kit, and then they donated it to Habitat, I guess. Is this the spin down or is this a fourth speed? Okay, I guess that was a fourth speed. This is the spin down. And I connected it. It does have the original blade irons, and maybe I will put a set of my blades. I have a ton of Casablanca new in box blades, but I'm a lazy son of a bitch, so I had these 5 gloss white blades lying right here in front of me from another Panama. So I just rolled with it. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.